All right. Basically what I'm doing is I got a giant mess. I always have a big mess. I just got the heater fired up today. It's actually, where are we at? We are not too bad. About 47, 48 as a guess on the temperature. So, since I'm taking this thing apart, I'm gonna make a couple different videos on pulling some of the parts off of this car. So it's just going to be a real quick thing, but pretty much door related. So I have this door here. Let's say your window stops working and you need to replace your window regulator. I'm going to show you how to get that removed. Pretty simple. Basically, to get it to this point, you know, you got your door panel. There's 3 screws. Then you got to pop off your rods. Okay. And then I like to pull the speaker and the plastic that holds the speaker in all at one time, because you're going to need to remove the assembly and slide it out over here. Okay, so pretty easy for this is, if you can, start with your window up. There's 2 8mm down in here. I like to take and wrap tape around the top of the window to hold the glass up, so when you're taking this out, you're not having a problem. Okay, so you can use a hand ratchet, you can use a nut driver, whatever you have available. I just happen to have this right now, so we're going to take these 2 out. All right. Now, right now, this is what I'm doing. If you had this hooked up, you would then plug your switch in, cycle your key on for power. With your window taped up, you would then lower it. You'll see this white part right in here. It will actually drop down. Bring that down about midway, and you'll be free of having pressure onto this assembly from this window. Okay, and then remove these 3 right here. These 3 right here actually hold the motor assembly. Okay, right here you can see it now. Okay, you've already got this lowered down, so typical red lock clip, you can unplug that. All right, let that hang. Now there's 2 down here on the bottom, this one and this one, and then you have one here in the middle. So let's remove those now. All right, now up here at the top, hopefully you can see that. Looks like you can. Up here at the top, there is one, it's like a stud with a nut. You don't have to take that off all the way, but I choose to. All right, so now you already have this window lowered down, so I'm going to hook a jump pack to this, give me some 12 volts so that I can lower this window regulator down. All right, so at this point I now have mine lowered down and here. So basically you can reach in here, move this to the side, push up on it a little bit. It should actually be able to I'm making this look harder than what it is, guys. Alright, now I don't have my window taped up because I'm just doing this to show what you gotta do. Some of these come out quick and easy. Some of them give you a hard time. Let me see here. Hold on here once. Now, all right. This is what I'm going to do. The easiest way to do this is to actually remove the window. comes right up out like that. Pretty simple, okay? So now, this one's actually damaged. Inner, right here. Alright, so now we're going to be at the point where you can grab this thing, tilt it, pull it right out, just like that. Now, I think if you look at these, and you're not sure what side's what, it's actually right here in this mold, and it says right or left. So, there we go. There's your window regulator removed. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully I didn't make myself look too bad in that video.